showing y'all how I made my stack leggings, like how I had in my last video. And I started a scrapbook. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I got so far. This is my first one, so don't judge me. Don't even judge. And I gotta add some more stuff. So yeah, y'all can see me add my stuff after I'm done with the leggings. So yeah. Okay. Oh, some sweatpants. Cause I was gonna paint on them. But honestly, I don't think I'm gonna do it. I don't even know what to put on them. I always say that and then I'll probably do it the next day. But yeah, I bought some sweatpants and I bought some fabric paint. I don't know yet. I don't know. I'm just gonna have to see. I might just get bored. I don't know. When I get off work tomorrow. Who knows? I just got my hair done today. This is my first time getting a wig like glued on, child. Cause I had a wig one time for graduation. But it was just on my head. But it was pretty though. But yeah. It's cute, I like it. I'm thinking about getting another one. I don't know yet. I gotta see how everything gonna turn out in the end because, child, I ain't really too good with keeping up my hair. That's why I stay with braids because they easy and I can just do my edges and go. But not with this. So we just gonna have to see how it turns out. Oh, I got this hair from Amazon. It's a 30-inch frontal wig. I don't know nothing about wigs. That's all I know. The inches and it's a frontal, it's a wig. I think it was 180 density. But yeah, I'll put it in the description. I think I want to do a curly one next. Look at that. Stiff? No. Okay. This is what I put all my craft stuff in. I just bought it from Hobby Lobby. So you're gonna need 2 pair of leggings. You're gonna need your size, and you gotta go a size up. Okay, you gotta go a size up because you have to. Okay, so to make the stack part, you gotta, scrunch it up. You gotta have enough room. So you gotta get a bigger size to make it, you know. This is not really the gray that I wanted, but let's just see. Let's just see how it turns out. Let's just see. Oh yeah, I got this from Walmart. They were like $5, I think.
Okay, so this is my...
Put these to the side. You're gonna need a pair of scissors so you can cut these, your bigger pair. Okay. Okay, so you got your bigger pair, right? And your scissors. And you're just gonna cut it. About right there.
Okay. So that was about insane.
Okay, now you gotta cut off the hem at the bottom. sure these are inside out. Okay, so now you're gonna take it where the leg part is, and you're gonna put this, you're gonna put these leggings inside of this. So it should look something like this. Alright, and you just do that to the other side. Make sure these are inside out, because if it's not gonna look right. You don't have inside out stat leggings, unless you want that, you know. That's you, boo boo. That's you then, boo boo. That's you, girl. That's on you, girl. That's on you, baby. That's on you if you want inside out stat leggings. Not me though. I want regular stat leggings.
Okay, so like these, so like
After I cut them, I don't really remember like what side was what, so I just put like these right here. I don't remember what side was what after I cut it, so you know, I just, it's gonna look good and it don't even matter.
alright, it should look something like this.
Okay, now what I got is, what is this? Liquid stitch, stitchless sewing. It's just fabric adhesive. I just put it all around, and I just do the same on the other side. Just put it all around. Takes 20 to 30 minutes to dry. Fabric adhesive look like. Okay, I got this from Walmart. They have this one where you have to wait for 30 minutes, and they got an iron-on one. And it's another one. I forgot what that one is. But yeah, I was gonna try the iron-on one, but I forgot. So yeah, we're just gonna have to work with this. And there's a lot in here. And my other ones are staying together pretty well, so yeah, I'm just gonna set these to the side and let these dry. I don't know how to explain it. But I'm trying to get into crystals because I heard a lot of good things and I heard some bad things, but mostly good things. But mostly good things. I'm just trying to manifest good things, abundance, all that. Because baby, I need it. So yeah, at night, like before I go to sleep, I listen to like sounds on YouTube, like the manifest while you sleeping sounds. I just started doing it like 2 weeks ago maybe. I'm just trying to see how that's gonna turn out for me. I'm claiming all the good things. No bad vibes, no negative energy, none of that. Because yeah. Okay, let's get into my scrapbook. Okay, this says make good things grow. I thought that was nice because I'm still growing. I'm just 19. I'm still growing, so yeah. Yeah. Okay. So here's one picture. It's just me. Happy picture. Okay, my picture's not, I don't know why I didn't buy no tape, but my picture's not taped now. So let me fix it. This is my first page. It's just me with my natural hair. I thought that would be a good first page because I love my hair. And it took me not a long time, but it took a while for me to get to this length. And yeah, I love it. And I just added some stickers, some little hearts and butterflies. This is me on my birthday. I went to New Orleans. Baby. But yeah, this is me. And I added some heart stickers, and it says birthday girl, and what that say? Greetings from the Bayou, happy birthday. And you know, just some hearts. Okay, and then this is me and my mom, my brother, and my sister. And we all went to New Orleans for my birthday. But yeah, this is us. Oh, we had such a good time. Okay, that's all I have right now. I've just got some more pictures today, so yeah. I'm gonna add this. Well, first, I'm gonna add me, because it's mine. So I'm gonna add me at graduation. So let's put them to the side. Right quick. Alright. Let's put these in. I need to buy tape, man. My picture's just gonna be slipping and sliding. Slipping and sliding. Sliding and slipping, baby. I gotta add some stickers. I really don't know why I printed these out but this is like the only picture like all 5 of us together. Never took pictures with all of us together. You see these pictures? Oh wait. We don't really look good in them, but it's all of us together, so I printed them out. So that's so crazy. But yeah. Okay, so here's that. Got new pages. Oh, so cute. I need to invest in some tape because this is not even a real scrapbook if it's not tape now. It's getting a little heavy now. The pants, the leggings. Remember, you had it turned inside out. So now I'm gonna flip it. And it should look like this. Super long. Should look super long. Just do the same thing with the other side. I'm gonna put them on and show y'all how they're supposed to look. Alright y'all, that's all for today's video. If y'all want me to do any more tutorials or reviews or anything, just let me know. And I'll do it. Just let me know and I'll do it. Duh. Just let me know. Duh. I'll see y'all next time.